Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today I'm going to be preparing for you guys what I call Grandpa's baked beans. This is something that my grandparents would make for cookouts and dinner sometimes when we had hamburgers or hot dogs. It goes great with anything that you take on a picnic or a summer cookout. And it's real easy, only 3 ingredients. So this brings back some good childhood memories for me, and so I'm going to go ahead and share it with you guys today. And what you're going to need for this is 2 cans of baked beans. You're going to need a 1/4 of a cup of ketchup and a tablespoon of yellow mustard, and I just kind of measure things out today for you guys. I normally don't. I normally just squeeze the ketchup and the mustard in there. But so to make it easier on you guys, I kind of measure things out today. Alright guys, well, let's get this going. I'll show you how to go about doing it, and then we're going to enjoy it. So here we go. Okay guys, now first thing you want to do is get your glass baking pan. And we're going to lightly grease this with cooking spray. Make it a little easier to clean up. And then you're going to put in your 2 cans of baked beans. Now, baked beans are fully cooked, so you can actually eat them cold right out of the can if you need to. So if you're a little without power, you got an easy meal here. It tastes really good, but you don't need to cook or heat up. Now we'll put those in there. So, and we'll put in our ketchup here. And we'll do our tablespoon of mustard. And you just mix it right on up in here. Alright, so here you go guys. We're going to put this in the oven at 350 for about 15 minutes and get it heated up, and then we'll give it a try. We'll be right back. Okay guys, had this in for 15 minutes. Let it cool just a little bit. We're going to give it a try. This looks so good. Alright, so there you go, and I'm going to give this a try. It's a good taste of the ketchup and the mustard. Boy, this just brings back some good childhood memories. I still make this occasionally. I don't make it as much as I used to, but boy, this is good. just something real simple to throw together. Has a great taste, and everything. Everybody usually has a can of baked beans and some mustard and ketchup at the house. So this is what I call my grandpa's baked beans. Like I said, it's something that my grandparents would put together for cookouts and just dinners with hamburgers and hot dogs. And so guys, I hope you guys give this a try. So leave comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, take time to subscribe to my channel to catch cooking videos like this. I put one out on every Saturday. And also, I do some taste test videos and some sightseeing adventure type videos. So that you can catch those as well. And well guys, I'll see you next video, and enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. Finish this up here.